Hi there. Do you remember when Father's Day came around when you were a kid and your mom would get you to make your own card? She'd give you a piece of paper and you'd fold it in half and you'd draw a picture on one side and then you'd open it up and you take your crayon and maybe draw another little picture and you'd put, to the best dad in the whole world. Love, whoever you are. When I got older, maybe it's the same with you as well, I got more sophisticated and started buying store-bought cards. And every year they just got more expensive, but you just kept on doing it until it became a habit. Well, this Father's Day, could I maybe entice you to do something different? Maybe instead of going and getting a store-bought card, or maybe even in addition to getting a store-bought card, would you join me and come and learn how to write what I call a legacy letter? It's a very special letter. It's a letter of love in which you acknowledge and pay gratitude to the father figure in your life. Maybe it is your father or a grandfather or another male relative in your life that has had a significant impact on you. It might be your partner. Or some other, significant man in your life. I'm offering a workshop on Saturday, June the 5th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, in which I will show you my 5 steps to writing a legacy letter, in which you acknowledge the recipient, you express your gratitude, your love, you cite specific examples of what you admire about this person. And and there's more. It's only $10 to join. You can sign up on Eventbrite. I'll put the link in here in the video. And normally I charge, it's usually $20 for kind of an hour-long workshop, but I'm only $10. So you could even bring somebody else along for the 20. Or you could gift the workshop, even to your dad, and he could write it. And let me tell you something else, that maybe that significant man in your life doesn't have to be alive. You can still write a letter and hold on to it and include it as part of your own legacy. My dad died many years ago, but I still speak to him, and I still take time out every once in a while to kind of write a letter or write something down. So I invite you to think about that, whether the father figure in your life is alive or passed away. You can still benefit from writing your own legacy letter. Okay? Saturday, June 5th, 2 p.m. Register on Eventbrite. It's only $10. I'm Michael Williams, and it's my Father's Day Legacy Letter Writing Workshop. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you. And meantime, hope you have a great Father's Day.